Good morning, welcome back to another video. Now today it's going to be a beautiful sunny day, so I've got lots of repairs and maintenance to do outside. Got to empty my trailer, but while I'm doing that, Sam's making something inside. I've been and picked some sloes for her off of the tree, and yeah, let's check in, see what she's up to. So, good morning, Sam.
Morning, Sean, thank you.
There's your sloes. What have you got planned for those?
So today I'm making some sloe gin.
Well, that sounds nice. I've never made that before. That's your department.
Yep.
So, what are you going to do? Take us through the process very quickly.
So the sloes go in there.
Yep.
After they've been put in the freezer overnight.
Yep.
To blet.
Okay.
Which expands the fruit and makes more of the juice come out. And then we add sugar. The more sugar you add, the thicker the liqueur will be at the end.
Yeah, like syrup.
But you can do, if you prefer a drier drink, you can add less sugar. So you literally half fill an empty bottle with some sloes.
Pop it in there, sugar in
Top
there.
up with some sugar to taste.
Okay. So are you going to film this in depth in your video on your channel?
Yeah, I'll go through the process a little slower.
Yeah, because I think quite a few people would be interested just to see how it's actually made.
Yeah.
Yeah, where would you say sloe gin comes from?
It's English.
It is English,
yeah. It's an old English recipe.
Okay, so you're going to do a deep dive into that on your video. Go on, get your plug in.
Sam's French Antiques going out at 9 PM Saturday evening, so I'll see you there.
Okay, right, I'm going to get on with what I'm doing and I'll see you a bit later, dear.
Okay, dear.
So don't forget to check out Sam's channel, Sam's French Antiques. Link will be in the description. Yeah, she'll take you through the process of making that sloe gin. Yeah, don't forget to give Sam your support. You know, she really does need it. It's rather difficult and hard when you're starting out as a new YouTuber, as she is. You know, you don't know what to do for the best, you know, what sort of contents, you're kind of cutting your teeth in a way. I just said to her, you know, just be yourself, that's more than enough, and build it and they will come sort of thing. So yeah, give her your support, hit the subscribe on her channel and follow her for future videos. That way she can produce a bit more and hopefully she can give up her work and become another full-time YouTuber. What we'll let her into.
Thank you, dear.
I mean, when I started, I had the opportunity and the privilege of working with the Pevericks. So after I started my channel from working with them, I had a bit of a springboard. Sam hasn't quite got that with my channel. It's a lot smaller and not such a big following, but nevertheless, there are people that watch my channel that go over and watch Sam's as well. So she's growing, you know, she's doing really well. But it's just the algorithm thing, you know, that's what we're always talking about all the time. But like I said, be yourself and they will come. These little bits of firewood are perfect for our indoor range in the kitchen. I'll show you it in a minute. It really is nice. It's a 1930s blue enamel stove. I've got to do a little bit of maintenance on that as well. There's something that we put in there every year that cleans it out. This is a bit boring, so I'll see you at the end. Where are you off to?
I've got a parcel to post. Had a sale on Etsy.
So the sale on Etsy, at least someone is.
Yeah, getting about 2 a month to Europe.
Europe, yeah, unfortunately with Etsy at the moment, we can't send any parcels to America. We're okay in Europe and the UK, but for postal reasons we cannot ship to America. Well, it's good you got a sale anyway.
Yeah.
Right then, I'm going to crack on with this. I'll see you a bit later.
Okay, dear.
Yeah, it's a real shame what's happened with Etsy. I mean, I was a seller on Etsy for quite some time, nearly 10 years, and built up a real thriving business, and then for various reasons it just finished overnight. Barely get a sale now, especially now the restrictions have come in with America. A lot of my clients were in America, so I've lost that side of the business. And then we had a bit of a blow with the ads, as you probably know, so yeah, you know, it happens. The forces outside your control. You just got to knuckle down and just keep pushing on with it. As with many things in life, but you get there in the end. Keep smiling. Let's get these out of the way. So, I've got my trailer empty. I'm going to go and get some sand now in preparation for doing the cottage floor. And then we spoke about the tomettes. I've got a Billy Peverick. We're going to lay those down when the weather changes. Today the weather's really nice, so what we'll probably do is get the scaffold set up. Tom, my son, will probably help me once he comes back, and we'll get up there and we'll start replacing all these slip tiles, because I want to start using this as storage. Yeah, got lots of slip tiles there. The crotchets, which are the little clips that hold the slates, are failing and they're just sliding off. So we'll get those done and we'll start using in there for a bit of storage. But first, it's a quick trip, only about 10 minutes down the road. We'll pick some sand up. So we're just at the Builders Merchants. Got to get myself half a trailer load of the sand. Yep, and get that in there. Also this. Now this is the chippings that I'll lay the tomettes on. Lime on top of that. It just creates a kind of vapour barrier, because I'm not putting no plastic down on the floor in there. So grab some of them to get started. I've got to track down the forklift driver before lunch. It's not fair to disturb them just before they have their lunch, is it? There he is. I've got my ticket. That's for the sand. And 4 sacks of gravel. There's something else I just remembered. Some glue for those tiles in case I can't get the clips on. Some silicone for that, mastic. It's always quiet in here just before lunch and it shuts. So we're looking for, where is it? I think that's the one. Yeah, gluing tiles down, that'll do. Okay, sand on, see you back at home. Okay, I think I'll unload that after we get set up with the scaffold and I sort the roof out. Try and conserve my energy a little bit. Not getting any younger, am I? So you do have to pace yourself. Now when you're up on the roof you need your wits about you. No good going up there when you're really tired. So we've got the scaffold around the end here. Get that round. Yep, Tom's coming out in a sec to help. Get that round, get that set up. Got me ladders. Me harness. Well, the weather's changed since I went and got the sand. It was beautiful sunshine. I mean, there's no rain, so it's perfectly fine to get up there. Never been up on this actual roof. I was going to use these tiles here to do it. That's why I kept them here at the front. But we've been talking, and I think what I'm going to do with this roof, because it's not going to be a dwelling as such for the next foreseeable future, it's just going to be the barn. Eyes, Tom. Yeah, we're going to put some metal roof sheeting on there, like a box profile, just to keep it dry. And yeah, it'll be handy for storage and a workshop and stuff like that. So yeah, we've got the little cottage there, and then we've got our one that we live in just here. Hi Tom.
Hello.
Hi mate. Yeah, not too bad. You're going to give us a hand with that scaffolding?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Right, it's just round the end here. I'll move the car. We'll unload the sand after we get...
Okay, I'm just about to water the vegetables.
Okay, I'll leave you that. I'll get sorted. I'll see you round the side. Okay, that's nice and clear. Let's go and get the scaffold, Tom. Right, I use this ladder not just to climb up, but as like a cantilever, an outrigger to protect, you know, from the tower coming backwards. I'm going to tie it into there's some hooks underneath the gutter line. We're going to ratchet it up, make it nice and secure.
As safe as house is.
Yeah, it will be. Takes a bit longer to set up, but it's better than the alternative.
What's the alternative?
I think we all know the alternative.
Falling off.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to put this across. This will hold the first ladder on the boards up there, and then that way it will take the pressure off of the roof. Don't want to crack any more tiles. Right, Tom, can you pass me that other board, please?
Oh, this one here?
That one there. So good having an extra pair of hands. And also there's some screws over by that door. Can you pass those up, please? Number 4. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. To the right. Yeah, by the hinge.
How many do you want?
All of them.
I was expecting to see a box of screws.
Rail as well, please. Don't stand underneath me or anywhere anything could potentially fall.
Yep.
Yeah, lots of slip tiles here. It's these crotchets that fail. So I'm going to come down now. We've got some new crotchets in there, Tom. We'll grab them and then we'll slowly replace. Might see us through the winter. So these are the crotchets. I think they're the right size for this. Yeah, we'll go up and check. They look a bit short actually. Well, we'll check it out.
But for a layman like me, what's a crotchet? How does it work?
There, it's the shape of it really, the pattern.
Yeah.
It's the design of it really. It's got the hook at the top that goes on the batten, and that bottom section there holds the tile. No nail in these, so
It's a bit like a peg then, sort of.
yeah, basically.
Squeezes it in place.
When they rot, they're not stainless. With galvanised, you get X amount of years out of them. They rot and then your tiles slip. The slate probably outlasts these by quite some time. Right, let's try one. I'll take them all up there. Right, I'll take some new slate up there as well. Something I prepared earlier. they're okay.
So they are big enough then?
Yep, I think so. Trouble is, yo. I don't want to rebuild the roof, but what I can access I will certainly change.
How's that looking, Dad?
Yep, making progress. It's slow because it's fragile.
Well, it's a nice day for it, isn't it, Dad?
Certainly is. Well, we've got this little section done. Always a bonus. Extremely fragile, these tiles, so the more you play about with them, the more you lose. So there's a tipping point of how much you can do with them. As long as we can't see any holes, I think we'd be okay for a little while. And of course, we don't want any slipping down anyone's head.
Yeah, it's the main thing.
Well, we've got this section watertight now. Still plenty of holes up there, but it'll help.
I don't know if that pick up, but you're just basically hooking the crotchet on, aren't you?
So we've done some repairs here, patched it up. That's out of reach at the moment. We'll do that once we get the ladders up. But for now, that is done. Well, cheers mate. Great help.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That is it for today. We'll see you all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, leave us a comment.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Bye for now.